Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 68, how to convert text to lowercase in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this list of table is available. And this my project is available. Gem folder inside this htdoc directory. Inside this project is available. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run this project. This project directory inside cmd. Open cmd. Successfully this project directory inside this is a run. Let's php artisan serve and enter. Successfully working good. This copy and paste here this browser. Successfully paste. Working fine. Let's admin login. Admin login successfully working fine. This login screen is available. Let's user table. Click this user table. Click this user. And this admin login is a credential is a copy. This copy and password is 123456789, and successfully click this login not now. Successfully login good. Please click this blog. Click this blog. Inside this add button is available. Click this add. Inside this implementation, this convert inside this new button. Click this and automatically is a convert. Let's copy this URL. This URL is a get method is available. This get method route web page PSP inside this available. This is available. This get method. This copy blog underscore add block controller. Open this block controller. Inside this function is available. Good. Working admin blog and add resource view admin blog and add successfully available. Let's this title name is available. Title let's save file and refresh this page. And inside this show. Good. Working. This file is successfully working fine. Let's inside this implementation one button. This text inside this one button is a implementation. This is a convert. Let's first of all inside this id is a create id is equal to this id name is a get title. The same here name is a get title. Let's get title is a set. This same here. This is a get title successfully set, and this slug is available. The slug inside this new button is a create. Let's create this inside this implementation label. Let's save file and refresh this page. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is available 77, but not good. Let's remove this not good. Inside this implement let's 77444 and refresh this page. This is a not fine and this is a good. Inside this is a definitely working fine. Let's inside this new button is a implementation slug convert. First of all this a link is a start a link a, and this is a not srf only id. This srf is not available. id is a converting slug. This is id is a implement. srf is a javascript and this javascript is a set. Save file, and inside this button name is a converting slug. Same here name is a button name. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's refresh this page. Working good. This converting slug. This is a fine. This is the insert title is implement, and this is the implement title. In this automatically slug is convert. Click this inside this automatically fill up this slug. Let's step by step implement. Let's same here copy, and this copy is available. Let's inside this get slug id is implement. Let's id is implement id. Save file. Good working. Let's open this. Open admin inside this dashboard is available. Let's admin, this is a folder is available. Admin inside this admin underscore dashboard. Open this admin underscore dashboard. Inside this javascript is a implementation. Let's new javascript is a implementation. Let's new body tag. This body tag, this is inside the same here available body. Same copy body, and this body paste here. Body paste here. Dollar body. And delegate is a function is available. Delegate function. And this hashtag inside this id is already implement. Convert this copy, same here convert. This is a link inside this available copy and paste here id, and click this button is a click function run function. And this close this function. Let's title variable is a implement variable title. Let's your variable your decision your name. Variable name is a title, and this title name is a this already implement id. This id is a already implement get title. Same here copy, and inside this paste here. Successfully paste. And dot val means value. Inside this value is a show. Save. Let's a new slug is a create. First of all, this first is a function create public function, otherwise only function converting to slug. This converting to slug, one function is a create converting to slug. This function name is a implement, and this inside this txt text return is equal to text, and this is a by default name is a implementation. Dot replace this number is a replace automatically, and this replace this automatically. This replace blank. Successfully this is available to this automatically blank, and inside this available to this is only automatically slash in this dot. Successfully save file. Let's save. Inside this new variable create variable slug, and this slug is available this title and slug. The same here copy and paste here, and inside this implement same here title. This title new variable already create. Let's this variable is already create get slug. This get slug variable is available. Let's same here copy and paste here get slug val, and the same is a copy and paste here. Successfully set. Let's save file. Please writing this file, and inside this sec this is a implement. This input box is id implement. This button is a implement, and this is a get id. Let's save file and refresh this page, and this is a error. This number is a implement. This number is a implement, and click this convert. This is automatically slug is a working fine. This is a debug in the automatically slug is a means url is a working fine. Let's new set in this is a hello. This is available. This hello work, and click this converting. This automatically hello work is available done, and this convert automatically convert. This is a fine inside this hellos, and this submit, and this converting automatically this inside this set. Good working. This, please check this previous video inside this blog table inside this import. This is a import this slug. Let's again this add and this submit and this convert. This title is a convert. Click this, automatically this title is a convert. This button, this is good working, and this submit and successfully inside this is a implementation, this slug and this title. Same here, create. And this any doubt, so please contact this my error solution. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available in this new project development, so please contact. And this my official website channel is available. Please follow this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.